We are at Shades of Green. This is a resort that's on Disney property that's only open to members of the armed services and their guests. I did not serve, so we are a guest of my brother-in-law. So during certain months of the year, they have it if you served. You don't have to be a retiree. You come here usually during the most of the year. You have to be retired from the military or actively serving. So with that being said, we want to check it out. It used to be the Disney golf hotel, but now it's for members of the armed services and their families. So this is pretty special, pretty neat. Yeah. So let's start off with the bathroom. This is probably what it looked like when Disney had it, maybe 30 years ago. I think we saw anniversary pins. They say the 30th anniversary of Shades of Green. So it'd be cool to see what it looked like back then versus now. See if what has changed and what stayed the same. But it's really spacious rooms actually. Bathroom, double sink, plenty of space. Here's a closet. It's got your ironing board, extra linens. We put our stuff in there. It's got a safe down there. It just sits off the floor. Then it's two queen bedroom, I think. Room's really big. Nice big dresser. It's got a mini fridge, bunch of drawers. Got a little coffee machine over here. Bedside table. There's some paper you could write on, it looks like. It's cool. Then you've got the fold-out couch. Little table to eat breakfast on or do whatever you need. Another side table over here. And these rooms do have a pretty big balcony actually. If I can open it. So that's it open. Of course, it's pretty late. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. It's marathon weekend. So maybe I'll try to get some views, what it looks like during the daytime. Yeah, it's a nice big room. Looks nice. It's technically a deluxe resort, so I think it gets all what Disney offers for deluxe resorts. They get that here too. It has its own separate bus transportation. It'll get you pretty much to the parks. We talked to some other people, and the drop-offs might be a little different, but I mean they still offer a bus service to the parks. They got Wi-Fi. They give you a packet when you get here. Here's a schedule, like a bus schedule. They got schedules for Run Disney. The buses come just for that. They have cafes. You can get pizza room service. They've got restaurants. They got a exchange here. Fitness center. They have all sorts of stuff. Pools. So it's kind of a layout. We're somewhere over here on the 4th floor. There's the main building. And there's a whole nother part we haven't even checked out yet. I don't know how much videoing and exploring we're going to do. It's not like your typical Disney resort, and I kind of want to respect people's privacy and just let them vacation and enjoy their time and maybe not have a video around them. So might just be a room review, but it's a really nice place. Everybody's really friendly. The staff's been great. So yeah, it's just really nice. It's cool for us. Kara actually stayed here when she was a kid, so that was at least 30 years ago, so she barely remembers anything, but she has stayed here before, we can say, before before it turned into shades of green. It's pretty cool. You have to have, on the other side of this is like a resort ID, and you have to have your ID with it. Room keys are just blank room keys. But I got golf brochures. Definitely, if you're into golfing and you qualify to come here, it's pretty awesome. Yeah. Don't know what else to say other than it's a great privilege for us to stay here, so we're very grateful to my brother-in-law for sponsoring us to be able to come here, and yeah, we look forward to checking more of it out. Yeah, I just wanted to show the morning view. It's pretty nice. There's like the golf cart path down there, and it's like basically like the greens is right on the other side of the stairwell. Like it's a golf course right there. Well, let's go this way. It's like the main lobby building area, and there's conference rooms and shops and restaurants there and breakfast places. Nice water area. On the other side of that is the swimming pools. We walked by those last night. The swimming pools are massive. They look awesome. Like kid splash pad, and yeah, just like water slides and all sorts of stuff. And then last night we also went to I think it's Evergreen's sports bar. We watched some football last night and ordered some food, drinks to go, like a full bar. That was really neat. I would definitely recommend going there if you stay here. So, you hear a train or something in the background. Yeah, it's a really cool place. Very grateful we get to do this, stay here. Anyways, thanks for watching.